Hi. So I think that predicting recidivism is something that is not exactly backed up by science. I don't think any of the techniques that were designed to predict it wasn't accurate enough. In the video that was in the lecture, the African American woman was predicted at a much higher rate than the white male to be put back in prison or get in trouble for a crime. And that could be because it's biased, racially biased, um, genderly biased. That's a word. Um, and I don't think it was the right tool to use for people to look out if those people are going to be committed for crimes again. And in terms of the psychologist testimonies, I think they could give good feedback on a person's mental stability since they do see them in certain scenarios in therapy. But every individual is different, and it's hard to know, even in a psychologist's perspective, what is going through a person's head. So also in the video, one of the links it says that um, it's mentioned that some people that go to therapy just leave with and don't come back. Um, and that was the case of the person who was convicted of a mass murder. Um, but that was his decision to not come back to therapy, which he fully has that right. I think using their testimonies to determine sentencing decisions, it can be hard to pinpoint whether or not it is a good thing to use because um, they could give valuable information about the person. I feel like it all depends on the person and it should be evaluated more. But it also can't determine everything because people can have a completely different mindset than other people, and what's going on in their brain can be completely different than what we can perceive things to happen. So it's kind of a rough area.